Stop summing this way in your Excel, especially when numbers has a text units. If you try to use the normal sum function on cells containing text like kg, Excel returns 0 because it cannot calculate alphanumeric values. Instead, do this. Type equals sum, then value, then substitute. Select your entire data range, then type a comma, and in quotation marks type the text unit you want to remove, which is kg. Add another comma and empty quotation marks to replace it with nothing. Close your brackets. Type an ampersand, and then in quotation marks add kg, back to your final total. Press Enter, and Excel instantly calculates the total sum while keeping your text units clean. Follow for more.